psychological safety, wherein you help them to deliver their best and create a win-win for both the organization and themselves.
So in this, if you notice, the person who goes to the top, is it the most heaviest person or the lightest person? Lightest, right? So the heavy ones are down, right? So is there team effectiveness?
So I say leverage on the strengths of your employees. I believe everybody is talented.